Hi guys, welcome back to Laila's Home Cooking, and on today's episode I want to show you how I make my chicken cutlets or cutlets poulet. The ingredient is ground chicken, of course. I have half of a bread that is soaking in water, ginger garlic paste, some spices which is coriander powder, cumin powder, crushed chilies, cardamom powder, salt and pepper, onion, some fresh mint and fresh coriander. To my ground chicken, I'm gonna add all my spices along with my ginger garlic paste and the bread that was soaking. I'm gonna squeeze the water completely until dry and add to my chicken. Looks good. Add this to your chicken. My onion, I'm gonna slice them up finely. I'm just gonna add half of the onion because this was a little bit bigger. You can add a small onion or half of the big one. Just chop them finely. And as well, I'm also gonna chop my mint, and you want to make sure they are very small. I'm also gonna chop my coriander. You want to make sure everything goes fine, not big chunk. And add this to your chicken as well. We are pretty much done with the chicken mixing, and then we also need egg and breadcrumbs and all for frying. And now I'm gonna use my hand and I'm gonna mix everything until combined. My chicken is ready, is on a side, and that's my breadcrumbs. My egg, I'm gonna add to my egg just a bit of milk, pinch of salt and pepper, and I'm gonna just give this a mix. Just beat the egg. My oil is preheating back there, and now I have everything ready. My chicken mixture, my egg, my breadcrumbs, and I have a plate as well. And I'm gonna start. I'm obviously gonna do this by hand. You can do big or small depending on the size of the bread. I'm just gonna do this, I think that size. And I just want to dip this with the egg first and then to the breadcrumbs. That way they don't absorb too much oil. And then I'm gonna flat them up into round shape and just keep doing the same. My oil is preheating on medium heat. I'm gonna start frying my cutlets. If you don't want to fry all of this, you can also freeze them, and whenever you're ready, just defrost them and fry, and you can have fresh cutlets all the time. My chicken cutlets looks gorgeous right now. This is the color that I really want it to be, like a nice golden brown. I already fried most of them. This is the last batch. My chicken cutlets or my cutlets poulet is ready. Gorgeous. I'm ready to dig in. Look how beautiful is this. Get the full written recipe down below, and I will see you next time.